What's the meaning of brandy snap? Brandy snap. Brandy snap.
Brandy snap. Brandy snap. A brandy snap is a sweet, crispy biscuit-like treat made from butter, sugar, flour, and golden syrup. The mixture is rolled out thin and then baked in the oven until golden brown. Once removed from the oven, the brandy snaps are shaped by wrapping them around a cylindrical object such as a wooden spoon handle, while still hot and pliable. As the brandy snaps cool, they become hard and brittle and have a delicate, honeycomb-like texture. They are often served filled with whipped cream or other sweet fillings, making them a popular dessert item.